Question number 1.
The teacher suggested that every student the essay before the weekend. A completes. B complete. C completed.
Question number 2.
During the meeting, Zola was responsible preparing the financial summary. A of B for C in E.
Question number 3.
Liam promised to clean his room before his parents came home. A, out, B, up, C, away.
Question number 4.
Matteo and Sophia discussing their project proposal for over 2 hours. A were B was C has.
Question number 5.
Not only the report late, but it was also incomplete. A was B is C were.
Question number 6.
Emily looked to her final exams with both excitement and fear. A on B, forward, C, forward 2.
Question number 7.
The management team agreed to extend the project deadline. A, have B, has C, were.
Question number 8.
Aya reminded her brother switching off the lights before sleeping. A of B to C for.
Question number 9.
If Javier his notes carefully, he would have passed the quiz. A had reviewed B, has reviewed C, reviewed.
Question number 10.
The company decided to call the event due to bad weather. A on B, out C, off.
Question number 11.
Chloe asked that her marks be rechecked by another examiner. A, B, B, R, C, were.
Question number 12.
David is very good solving complex problems under pressure. A at B for C in Poitilu.
Question number 13.
Aya's parents insisted that she home before midnight. A, B, B was Siksiki, is.
Question number 14.
The staff, as well as the manager, ready for the conference. A was B, were C, are.
Question number 15.
Mateo turned the volume because the baby was sleeping. A. Down. B. Up. C. Off.
Question number 16.
The professor asked whether all students submitted their essays. A. Have B. Had C. Has.
Question number 17.
Rarely such detailed feedback given on student essays. A. Was B. Is C. Has.
Question number 18.
Kenji apologized arriving late to the online meeting. A of B for C to.
Question number 19.
The children were told to pick their toys after playing A. Out, B. Up, C. Off.
Question number 20.
If Emily more time, she would join the book club. A. Has B. Had C. Have.
Question number 21.
The faculty members reviewing the curriculum changes. A is B, R, C, was.
Question number 22.
Chloe was capable managing the entire event alone. A to B in C of.
Question number 23.
No sooner the bell rang than the students started shouting. A did B, had C, has.
Question number 24.
Liam reminded his colleague submitting the report on time. A of B for C about.
Question number 25.
The committee demanded that the proposal revised immediately. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 26.
Zola couldn't put with her noisy neighbors anymore. A on B, up C, up with.
Question number 27.
Neither the teacher nor the students satisfied with the results. A was B, were C, are.
Question number 28.
Mateo prefers reading books rather than watching TV. A to B, then C over.
Question number 29.
Emily forgot to turn the oven after baking cookies. A, up, B, off, C, out.
Question number 30.
The manager insisted that all employees attend the meeting on time. A. Attend B. Attends C. Attended.
Question number 31.
By next Friday, Aya completed her thesis. A. Will have B. Would have C. Has.
Question number 32.
The children were excited going to the zoo with their parents. A. About B for C. For no reason.
Question number 33.
Not until the principal arrived, the meeting begin. A did B, does C, has.
Question number 34.
David succeeded, convincing his team to adopt his idea. A on B in C with.
Question number 35.
The new software update is essential improving security. A to B for C at.
Question number 36.
If Kenji earlier, he wouldn't have missed the presentation. A leaves, B left C, had left.
Question number 37.
Chloe called the meeting after the client canceled. A on B, off C, out.
Question number 38.
A number of employees applied for remote work. A has B, have C, had.
Question number 39.
Aya reminded her classmates the upcoming exam. A about B for C to.
Question number 40.
The manager requested that everyone be silent during the presentation. A, B is C, was.
Question number 41.
The students were busy for their final exams. A, study B, studying C, studies.
Question number 42.
The company carried a survey to measure customer satisfaction. A, off B, out, C, up.
Question number 43.
If Javier harder, he might earn the scholarship. A works, B worked C, had worked.
Question number 44.
Emily takes care her grandparents every weekend. A for B of C, on.
Question number 45.
Not only Liam arrived late, but he also forgot the documents. A did B was C had.
Question number 46.
The teacher congratulated Mateo, winning the spelling bee. A on B for C in feeds.
Question number 47.
The family planning a surprise dinner for Zola's birthday. A is B, are C were.
Question number 48.
Chloe asked her friend if she could look her cat while traveling. A after B for C up.
Question number 49.
The professor suggested that the paper submitted electronically. A, B is C was.
Question number 50.
The children were told to put their jackets before going outside. A in B on C up.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.